What's the meaning of concordance? Concordance. Concordance.
Concordance. Concordance. The term concordance refers to a reference book that lists all the occurrences of a particular word or phrase in a text, along with their immediate contexts. The result of using a concordance is a comprehensive overview of how a word or phrase is used throughout a text, allowing for analysis of patterns, frequency, and context. Concordances are commonly used in linguistic research, literary analysis, and religious studies. By providing a detailed record of every instance of a word's use, concordances help scholars uncover the nuances and subtleties of language use within a text.